Walmart has put out all of the Christmas items. They have even more in the other rows, like the lights and all that and stuff. But they have out the Christmas trees. You can get them different sizes. You can get them flocked. You can get them not flocked. They have all the ornaments, and they have the ornaments in packages. So if you wanted to just go with a theme and pick that theme and then purchase a few packages, you can just do that. You can add in a little customization by adding in the individual ornaments that you can pick up. And these come in a lot of cute item like options with cute different styles that you can pick from, and you can see the prices. They are like usually just $1, a couple of dollars for these. They come in sets, just so many different cute options for those. They come in neutral themes, they come in like bright colorful themes, they come in the traditional colors, they come in black and white. Just all of the great options right now for Christmas items at Walmart. They have the inflatables for outside that you can grab. They have a ton of those. These are so pretty, just that like simple classic look for the Christmas theme. And then these right here, I think these are so pretty. They have kind of that ice look to them that you can grab. So really, whatever you're looking for, Walmart has so many. These right here, $20 for these wreaths right here. And you know, we do a lot of DIYs, but these, you can't beat that right there, because the amount of supplies and things that you would need to make those would come up to way more than $20. And you can add like a little special touch to it if you want to customize it. They have like Jack Skeleton pieces. They have Grinch pieces that you can grab at Walmart right now for Christmas. They have the stockings that you can grab, and they have those in all kind of different styles. You can grab those, and then you can grab the stocking hangers too, like the things to hang them on there at Walmart. You can see you can coordinate with the blankets, with the tree skirts, with all of the different themes for this Christmas season at Walmart. They have garland, they have wreaths, and like I said, they have them flocked, they have them non-flocked, they have different thicknesses that you can grab, they have decor pieces that you can put out for this Christmas season at Walmart. They have window clings, they have door hangers, they have just so many different options, decor pieces. Some of these pieces we even saw like at Hobby Lobby that you can grab at Walmart. They have the nutcracker pieces, and you can customize like the natural looking pieces, or you can just add something to these. Like I said, they have traditional style, they have door hangers, they have door wreaths, they have Christmas trees, they have Christmas lights. They just have everything you need right now at Walmart. And to me, the price at Walmart for their decor pieces for the Christmas season is a really affordable price. They have the deco mesh, so you can see there if you wanted to customize or make your own pieces, you can grab a lot of that right now at Walmart. They have some of the pieces for the trees, for the wreaths, for the tablescapes, and these are under $1. Just a few cents under $1, but still under $1. Like I said, they have the decor pieces that you can put around your home right now at Walmart. So if you're getting a jump on the decorating season, you might want to head over to Walmart and see what they have right now for the season, or maybe add to what you already do have in store for the holiday season. And then these right here, I thought these were so cute. I always like the little figurine shape like this. And they have the little pillows, and they have them in like these pretty little girly style colors. And these are really big too. For $25, they had those at my Walmart, and they had a ton of them in. So yeah, definitely check out your Walmart right now for Christmas decor.